Good morning, third graders. How are you today? Today I decided that, well, in the spirit of Easter, I know it's over, but I was going to be a rabbit for our video today. So, rabbits are just so cute, so much cuter than your teacher. So, I am a rabbit today. Today's video is going to address MCA testing. Now, I know some of you might be excited and some of you might be a little disappointed to know that our test is going to be postponed due to the weather. So today's video is going to address some things we can do to be successful on our MCA test, and then your assignment will also be kind of some MCA practice. So I don't want to touch poetry yet. That's Miss Thiesfeld's territory, so she will introduce that to you tomorrow while you are not testing, if you are testing. So let's begin with the test prep and test-taking success skills. What are some things that you can do to do your best on your MCA test? Some of the things that we've already discussed are just test-taking strategies in general. So number one, you should always read the passage. Now remember, we did talk about reading the questions first, but I don't want some of you to get tempted to read the questions and then as you're reading the passage, start answering. That's not what I want you to do. Yes, read the questions so you kind of know what you're looking for, but then I want you to go into the passage and at least read it through once before you even start looking at the answers. In fact, one of the other things we've discussed is reading the passage multiple times. 2, 3 times. The more you read, the more familiar you're going to be with the passage itself. Then we've also discussed that when you find an answer, you should go back into the text and highlight that evidence. Highlight the evidence first, and then go and look at the answers to see which one matches your evidence. Some of you like to just highlight an answer, and then once you look back, you realize you've made a mistake and that your evidence and your answers don't actually match. So make sure they always match. Then, to help you find that answer and help you kind of narrow it down, like if you're kind of unsure, you can eliminate answers. You kind of always know that there are at least 2 that you can eliminate that are completely kind of off the mark. Then, if you narrow it down, you have better odds of answering the question correctly. So, like we said, read carefully, read the questions first, eliminate answers, highlight your answers, read the passage more than once. So these are some skills and strategies that you can use to help you do your best on the test. Now, other test-taking strategies involve things that you can do outside of your test-taking session. So, number 1, make sure to get a good night's sleep. You want to feel completely rested before and during the test. And so, that's one thing that you can do outside of the test-taking session. Number 2, you're going to want to eat a good breakfast. You want to feel completely full, and you want to make sure that you are comfortable while you're taking the test. We will also provide you with a snack, some mints to help you concentrate, and then some water. So these are some things that you can look forward to while taking the test and things that we're going to try to do to help you be successful. All right, so on to today's assignment. Today's assignment is going to be something you've already seen before. Do you remember getting something that looks kind of like this? So what I want you to do today is I want you to continue to work through the Study Island checklist. Most of these are 3rd grade standards. The only one that you will not find under your 3rd grade ELA is the cause and effect. So if you want to practice that skill, you'll have to go up to the top. You'll have to select 4th grade and then look for cause and effect. So I want you to work through as many of these as you can. Since we have a little shorter video today, maybe work a little bit longer. Remember, you will get a special reward for completing everything on your Study Island checklist. So what I want you to do is after you've completed that, you can have your parents sign it and then we'll take a look at it to make sure you have all blue ribbons in those areas. Practice eliminating answers, looking back in the text. I know you can't highlight on Study Island, but you can look back for your evidence. So practice using those skills and strategies today as you work through your checklist. If you have questions, you can always feel free to send me a message on Dojo. Enjoy!